Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the photo puzzle effect on your TikTok video using the Capcut template. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, Android phone, or social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. In this video trend, you're showcasing some images from your phone library, and it will lift the subject from the background. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor for your iPhone or your Android phone. This is available on your Google Play Store and your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded Capcut, go ahead and open up TikTok. Now here at the top, you want to search for Photo Puzzle. F-O-T-O puzzle. And within the search results, you're looking for the video that is doing the trend. So for example, this one here and this one here as well. Now within those videos, you're looking for Capcut Try This Template, which is right here above the username. So go ahead and tap on it. Now this will show you the template. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will load the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. So now go ahead and choose 25 images from your phone library. Next, tap on Preview at the bottom right. Now this will create the video for you. And there you go, it has created the video and it has lifted the subject from the photo away from the background. So once you're happy with that, tap on Add Sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. And now once you're happy with that, you can add your trending sound to it. And again, once you're happy, go ahead and post this video to TikTok. So that is how to create the photo puzzle effect on your TikTok video using the Capcut template. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.